My name is Tom Walsh, and I've had the opportunity to come and visit Hutan Harapan numerous times over the last 7 years or so. Initiatives like Hutan Harapan's ecosystem restoration concession need to be supported to provide viable habitats for these animals, plants to flourish. But it's also, we're just not talking about the wildlife, we're also talking about the communities that are dependent on the forest resources for their livelihoods. And if the forests are gone, then there's the marginalization of the local communities. Then we have new social problems as communities are forced to move to the cities. And so there's this other process that's taking place. So our forests are playing a very important role both in the ecology, both the human and biophysical ecology. So I think as we go forward, we need to be paying more attention to how we manage our forest resources so that both the biodiversity it can be maintained, but also local communities are able to flourish from having access to the forest resources. Jadi ke depan, ayo kita semua mendukung Hutan Harapan. Ini masa depan kita semua di sini. Terima kasih.